Do you notice that it feels harder to climb stairs now than before? Or that it takes more effort to get out of your favorite chair? This issue is one that Boston Medical Center's leading elder care specialist, Dr. Sarah Thompson, encounters daily. She's worked with older adults for over 25 years, and she's discovered something shocking. By age 70, 40% of adults suffer from severe leg weakness. Most doctors, however, don't tell you this. This isn't just a natural aspect of growing older. Recently, Dr. Thompson told an amazing story. A 75-year-old patient named Mary came to her office, despondent about her weakening legs. Mary was back to gardening and playing with her grandchildren within a month of implementing Dr. Thompson's dietary recommendations. The key. Most people already have these 3 basic, inexpensive food types in their kitchen. These foods can help you maintain independence, strengthen your legs, and boost your balance, all without costly supplements or complicated exercise regimes. Please tell us what city you're tuning in from before we reveal Dr. Thompson's revolutionary findings. Leave a comment below with it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our Salud 365 channel if you want more scientifically backed aging health advice. Understanding leg weakness. Starting from square one, now let's examine why our legs deteriorate in the first place and what the possible solutions are. Understanding leg weakness at point 0. Let me share a fascinating discovery from Dr. Thompson's latest research at the Mayo Clinic in 2024. As we examine why legs become weaker initially, they found that our leg muscles actually begin to change as early as age 50, which is significantly earlier than previously believed when they studied people over 60. Older adults are experiencing more than just simple fatigue. It's about preserving the autonomy to live your life as you see fit. Imagine your leg muscles as a house's foundation. Strong legs help you stay independent and mobile, just as a strong foundation keeps a house steady. According to Dr. Thompson, sarcopenia is a normal condition that causes us to lose 1 to 2% of our muscle mass annually after age 50. While it may not seem like much, it adds up, especially in our legs, which have some of the largest muscles in the body. Gradually, John Martinez, a 75-year-old retired educator in Florida, became aware of these changes. He stated, "At first, I thought I was just tired. I avoided going upstairs to see my grandchildren's playroom until one day I understood what I was doing. That's when I realized something had to change." Many older adults who find themselves rearranging their lives to accommodate weakening legs can relate to John's story. Warning signs. You shouldn't ignore the warning signals. Frequently begin quietly. You might find that you need to rest more frequently when walking, feel shaky when getting out of a chair, or grip handrails more securely when climbing stairs. These are not merely annoyances. Instead, they are important signals from your body that you should not ignore. The good news from Dr. Thompson's research, however, is as follows. There's more than one way to address weakness. Even in your 70s and 80s, your muscles have a remarkable capacity to become stronger and more resilient. The secret is recognizing that these changes relate to how we eat and care for our bodies, not just old age. This brings us to a crucial aspect that many older adults are unaware of. Leg strength is more affected by proper nutrition than most doctors realize. While exercise is important, the meals you consume can have a significant impact on preserving and even regaining muscle strength. John learned this personally when he made dietary changes. 3 months later, he was back upstairs playing with his grandchildren. You're not the only one who can relate to John's story while watching this. If your leg strength has changed, please take a moment to let us know in the comments. Others going through similar difficulties may benefit from your experience. The 3 special foods that Dr. Thompson suggests to her patients will be revealed soon. These are the same foods that have given John and many others their strength and self-esteem back. These aren't pricey supplements or unusual superfoods. You can buy these basic, reasonably priced goods at any grocery store. You might be surprised by the first food we'll talk about, so pay close attention. 1. Fatty fish. nature's best leg strength enhancer. Asterisk, many older people have unwittingly avoided it. The first essential food that Dr. Thompson suggests for healthier legs is fatty fish, which we will examine for its amazing potential. Let us know if you're still watching and finding these recommendations helpful by leaving a comment with the word fish. Asterisk, fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are true champions when it comes to helping older adults maintain leg strength. According to Dr. Thompson's research, their high amount of omega-3 fatty acids is key to your muscles and joints. These good fats function similarly to natural oils, lowering inflammation and promoting muscle repair. According to recent Harvard Medical School research, older adults who ate fatty fish twice a week reported having 30% more muscle mass than those who ate it infrequently. California grandmother Maria Chen, 68, learned about its power personally. According to her, I used to believe that fish was only good for my heart. But after including salmon twice a week in my meals, I discovered something quite remarkable. I started to feel less wobbly when I walked, and my legs felt stronger. Asterisk, Maria changed from finding her daily walks difficult to joining her local mall walking group with confidence in just 3 months. Asterisk, you might be asking, but isn't fish expensive? For every budget, Dr. Thompson offers viable options. At a quarter of the price of fresh fish, canned salmon and sardines have the same nutritional advantages. A can of sardines actually has the same amount of omega-3 south as an expensive salmon fillet. Another inexpensive choice is frozen fish fillets. To retain all of their nutritional value, they are frequently flash frozen at their freshest. Here's how to incorporate fish into your meals on a daily basis without going over budget or spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Asterisk, try combining scrambled eggs and canned salmon for breakfast. Leg strength is supported by this protein-rich meal. Asterisk, sardines and avocado on whole grain toast for lunch is a simple but healthy lunch option. Asterisk, it only takes 15 minutes to cook a simple baked frozen salmon filleted with lemon and herbs for dinner. Asterisk, Dr. Thompson stresses the importance of preparation techniques. According to her, preparing fish doesn't have to be difficult, despite many older adults' concerns. Baking fish in foil packets is the simplest technique. This minimizes cleanup and keeps the fish moist. Simply add a little olive oil, some lemon slices, and your preferred herbs. A great dinner can be achieved by baking it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Asterisk, start slowly if you're new to eating fish. Begin with fish that has a milder flavor, such as halibut or cod, then gradually work your way up to saltier options. You can also experiment with incorporating fish into popular dishes and recipes, such as adding sardines to pasta sauce for an omega-3 boost, or using canned tuna in your favorite casserole recipe. Diverse cultural perspectives on fish consumption present countless opportunities. Asterisk, growing up in a Chinese-American household, Maria enjoyed steamed fish with scallions and ginger. Fish has been prepared by other older adults in Dr. Thompson's clinic according to their ethnic customs, from Mexican fish tacos to Italian-style baked cod. These varied recipes demonstrate the versatility of fish while still providing crucial nutrients for healthy legs. Regarding supplements, Dr. Thompson says that while fish oil supplements can be helpful, they don't offer all the benefits of eating whole fish. Supplements alone cannot sustain muscle health in the way that fish's protein, vitamin D, and other minerals can. Asterisk, before we move on to our second powerhouse meal, please leave a comment with your favorite fish preparation method, or any inquiries you might have about eating more fish. Others just beginning this path to stronger legs may benefit from your expertise. Asterisk. 2. Dairy products. Your mobility guardian. Asterisk. Pay attention because our next recipe, which is essential for protecting leg strength as you get older, might already be in your refrigerator. You might be surprised to learn about the second powerful food group that Dr. Thompson suggests. Dairy products. Asterisk. Enter dairy in the comments section below if you're still with us and finding these pointers helpful. Let's introduce David Williams, a 73-year-old retired Minnesota postal worker whose story demonstrates the amazing effects of dairy on leg strength. Asterisk, David confessed, "I always assumed milk was just for kids. However, everything changed when Dr. Thompson described how milk could keep my legs strong." Within 2 months, David's strength and stability significantly improved as he started consuming dairy daily. Why are dairy products so beneficial for the health of older adults' legs? According to Dr. Thompson, it's the unique combination of 2 essential nutrients, calcium and protein. Protein from dairy helps protect muscle mass, while calcium fortifies the bones that support your muscles. According to recent research from the National Institute on Aging, together, these 2 powerful individuals keep your legs stable and healthy. There are many solutions available for older adults who are worried about lactose intolerance. Asterisk, Greek yogurt has significantly more protein than regular dairy products, despite having less lactose than milk. Hard cheeses like Swiss and cheddar have naturally high calcium content and low lactose. Additionally, fortified alternatives such as soy milk, almond milk, or lactose-free dairy products provide comparable advantages for those who cannot tolerate any form of lactose. Asterisk, simple adjustments were David's first step toward success. He ate Greek yogurt with berries on top to start the day, stuffed his lunch sandwich with cheese, and snacked on cottage cheese in the afternoon. He explained that these minor adjustments had a significant impact. "I no longer have to worry about my legs giving out when I play with my grandchildren at the park." Dr. Thompson provides several feasible strategies for integrating dairy into your daily schedule. Asterisk, make Greek yogurt and frozen fruit smoothies to start your day. It's a simple method for consuming calcium and protein. Asterisk, add feta cheese to your salads or sliced cheese to your sandwiches for lunch. Asterisk, as an alternative to dessert in the evening. Try cottage cheese with fruit. Asterisk, Dr. Thompson offers some astute advice for those watching their spending. Instead of purchasing individual yogurt portions, get it in larger containers. Look for cheese deals and keep chunks in the freezer for later use. For baking and cooking, powdered milk can be an affordable alternative. Asterisk, keep in mind that even small doses of dairy throughout the day help strengthen your legs. Dairy can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, depending on cultural preferences. Traditional foods, like Mediterranean tzatziki sauce and Indian lassi, a yogurt-based drink, are favored by some of Dr. Thompson's patients. Some people prefer their meals with Latin American queso fresco. These cultural differences demonstrate how dairy can promote leg health while fitting into any diet. Consistency is more important than quantity. Dr. Thompson emphasizes that you don't need large quantities. Maintaining your leg strength and mobility can be greatly influenced by consuming even 3 servings of dairy per day, Dr. Thompson advises. Focusing on low-fat products that still include all the necessary nutrients if you are concerned about fat intake. These alternatives are just as helpful in supporting leg strength, because they contain the same amount of protein and calcium. Asterisk, let us know in the comments how you like to incorporate dairy into your diet. Before we move on to our final strengthening food, which do you prefer, cheese or yogurt? Others in our community might find inspiration in your ideas. Await the release of our third powerful food. It's an inexpensive, environmentally friendly, and very effective way to keep your legs healthy as you age. 3. Leafy green vegetables, nature's foundation for legs. Asterisk, leafy green vegetables. The final strength-enhancing superfood on our list are something you probably see every day at the grocery store. Enter greens in the comments section below. If you are still following along and finding these recommendations helpful, asterisk, in a surprising way. Patricia Jones, an active 70-year-old from Texas, learned about the benefits of leafy greens. Until my legs started to feel weak, I thought spinach was only for Popeye, she joked. But Dr. Thompson advised me to eat more greens, and my strength and stability really improved in just a few weeks. Why are leafy green vegetables so beneficial for older adults' leg health? According to Dr. Thompson, these vegetables are excellent sources of crucial nutrients that support leg strength. Greens like kale and collard greens are rich in vitamin K, which supports healthy muscle function and helps maintain strong bones. Another essential mineral found in leafy greens is magnesium, which promotes overall muscle function and helps avoid cramping. According to recent research published in the Journal of Nutrition, older adults who regularly ate leafy green vegetables had 40% greater muscle function than those who ate them infrequently. The variety of luscious greens makes them appealing. Swiss chard, collard greens, arugula, spinach, and kale each have their own advantages. According to Dr. Thompson, it's like having many different tools in your health toolbox. Asterisk, there are many gentle alternatives to raw greens for those who find them too difficult to chew. Patricia found that sautéed spinach was more palatable, as well as easier to eat. It is not costly or difficult to incorporate more greens into your daily diet. Start with frozen greens, which are frequently less expensive and conveniently which is what Dr. Thompson advises. According to her, a bag of frozen spinach provides the same nutritional benefits as fresh spinach and can be used for multiple meals. By purchasing greens in season and learning how to properly store them to extend their freshness, Patricia saves money. Asterisk. Here are some easy ways to include greens in your regular meals. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie to start the day. Your legs will benefit even if you don't taste it. Try a warm salad with wilted greens and a drizzle of lemon juice and olive oil for lunch. As a side dish for dinner, saute any leafy greens with garlic and a pinch of salt. Asterisk. Patricia explained her preferred method of preparation. In addition to adding them to soups, stews, and even omelets, I simmer my greens. It's a simple method for me to get my recommended daily serving without always feeling like I'm eating salad. According to Dr. Thompson, quickly boiling greens actually increases the body's availability of certain nutrients. Leafy greens can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, depending on your cultural traditions. Mediterranean-style sautéed spinach with garlic, Asian-style stir-fried bok choy, and Southern-style collard greens. These recipes support leg strength while demonstrating the versatility of greens. After being influenced by her neighbors, Patricia now enjoys incorporating greens into her classic Tex-Mex recipes. Dr. Thompson advises starting gently for anyone worried about the flavor. Blend a few leaves into your soup, add a few to your sandwich, or combine them with meals you already like. According to her, the trick is to make it fun so you'll keep going. Patricia discovered that any greens taste better with a little balsamic vinegar added. If you have any questions related to incorporating leafy greens into your meals or how you prefer to eat them, please leave a comment below before we conclude. Others can learn new ways to enjoy these effective leg-strengthening vegetables from your experience. Keep in mind that eating leafy greens, dairy products, and fatty fish together provides a solid foundation for sturdy, healthy legs as you age. Stay tuned for our conclusion, where we'll wrap everything up and offer some last-minute advice on how to get the most out of these 3 superfoods. Asterisk. Conclusion. A foundation for lasting independence. Asterisk. As we conclude today's journey to stronger legs, keep in mind Dr. Thompson's 3 powerful foods. Leafy green vegetables filled with essential minerals, dairy products high in calcium and protein, and fatty seafood rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Asterisk. When combined, these meals create a foundation for protecting your freedom and mobility as you age. Start modestly by sauteing some spinach for dinner, fish for lunch, or Greek yogurt for breakfast. You move closer to having healthier, sturdier legs with each minor adjustment. Asterisk. Leave a comment below with your ideas and experiences. Which of these foods will you try first? Asterisk. For more helpful health advice on how to maintain your strength and independence as you age. Don't forget to subscribe to Salud 365. Here's to your continued mobility and strength. We'll examine more strategies to keep your vitality and independence as you age in our future videos on Salud 365.